All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our generative AI course, and we did start our new module tonight. The module we started was going to be a Chroma database or Chroma DB. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Now, so far, all we did was the introduction. We didn't do any code writing. We did write some code down, but this is just example code here that we got from the documentation about Chroma. But let's go to the top and see exactly what we went over. So in this section, we will be going over the Chroma database and noting the differences between this DB and the Python DB. Now, Chroma is a database for building AI applications with embeddings. It comes with everything we need to get started built in and runs on our local machine. Now, Chroma is the open source embedding database. Chroma makes it easy to build LLM apps by making knowledge, facts, and skills pluggable by LLMs. The core use case of Chroma is to store and retrieve information using embeddings. This core building block is at the heart of many powerful AI applications. Chroma comes with a built-in embedded model, which makes it simple to load text. We can load the SciQ dataset into Chroma with just a few lines of code. Now we have to pip install Chroma using this pip command. This is how we store it right here. So pip install Chroma DB. You can see I already have it installed here. I pip installed it, so we do have it in our database. And you can see here I imported it. So we import Chroma DB. So we are able to access it after we did that. Next, we can create a client file. Now all of the code right here, all of the code that's coming up, like I said, is just going to be example codes from the documentation. It's not things that we're going to necessarily be using. It's just how it can be used when we do use it in the future. So this is how we create a client. Here you can see Chroma client. We go down. This is going to be a collection. This is how we create a collection using Chroma. So you can see collection equals Chroma client dot create collection, and we gave it a name. Let me see here. This is how we actually add to our. Next, we can add some text documents to our collection. Chroma will store our text and handle tokenization, embedding, and indexing automatically. Here's an example of that. So this is how we do that here. We collection.add. So we add in documents. This is the documents we want to add. We have metadata, source my source, IDs, ID1, ID2, and let me see what else we did here. I think this, yeah, so we had two more things. This one here is if we already generated embeddings ourselves, we can load them directly in. So this is the embeddings. Let's say we already created or generated embeddings. We can actually add them to our collection manually like this. This is how we would do that. And next we can query our collection, and this is how we would do that here. Results equal collection.query, query text equals this is a query document, and results equals 2. So basically that's all we went over for tonight. Like I said, it was a bunch of lecturing and some sample code taken, and like I said, all this code here is directly from the documentation. We didn't actually start implementing code ourselves yet, so we're just still getting started. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.